For estimating benzoic acid, we need 1:3 HCl, saturated sodium chloride solution, 0.05 normal NaOH, 10% NaOH. Ethanol, phenolphthalein indicator. So the sample is jam sample. These are the glasswares we will be requiring, separating phenol and other glasswares. We have to weigh 15 grams of the sample into the beaker. We have to mix the sample with 30 ml saturated sodium chloride solution. After the addition of sodium chloride, 1 ml 10% NaOH is also added and mixed. 1.5 gram of pulverized sodium chloride salt is added and mixed. We have to now transfer to 50 ml SNF. And make the volume to 50 ml with saturated sodium chloride solution. We have to shake well and allow it to stand for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we have to filter using the Wattmann filter paper. So the filtration initially happens very slowly. So at the end of the filtration, we need at least 15 ml of the filtrate. We have to wait till the filtrate is collected. You can stir if required by adding so the filtrate is collected now. So we have to acidify the filtrate. So the acidic pH is indicated by the formation of pink color in the litmus paper, but now it is just colorless, which indicates the neutral solution. It is just colorless. So we are acidifying the filtrate by adding few drops of HCl. This is HCl and few drops are to be added. So after addition of the acid, when we go for checking, so the litmus paper turned pink now. So it means that the solution got acidified enough. We are taking 15 ml of this acidified filtrate into the separating funnel. Fifteen ml has to be taken. After taking the filtrate, we have to take 1 parts in 3 parts of water HCl. So 7 ml of 1 plus 3 HCl. So that is taken into the filtrate. We are taking 20 ml of chloroform. ml of chloroform is added to the separating funnel. Then that is our solvent for extraction here. So after addition of all the required solvents, we got to mix the separating funnel well. We can clearly see the phase separation. We just need the chloroform phase at the end of the extraction. We got to mix well for facilitating the extraction of all the benzoic acid content into our chloroform. Now we should shake well for the extraction to happen and collect the chloroform layer after extraction. So only the colorless chloroform layer has to be collected and taken for further analysis. So sodium sulfate we are using 1 gram of anhydrous sodium sulfate we have to add to the chloroform layer and mix well. After it gets dissolved, we have to keep it for heating for about 5 to 7 minutes. Till then, for extraction, we have to keep the burette ready with 0.05 normal NaOH solution. We also need ethanol and phenolphthalein. In the meantime, our solution got heated. 5 ml of the heated solution will be taken. Ten ml of ethanol we have to add. Few drops of phenolphthalein indicator is used to indicate the endpoint. We have to titrate this against 0.05 normal NaOH solution and note the titer value. So in little amount of titer volume, we got the endpoint about 0.5 ml or less than that. So this is where we substitute our readings. 122 into titer value into dilution factor times 1000 times normality of the NaOH by weight of the sample and calculate our final reading.